Basic beginners asana that you should do daily. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are doing Veerbhadhrasana second or warrior pose 2. For this you have to extend your legs and now turn your right feet right side. Now bend your right knee 90 degree and slowly extend your both hands straight in the shoulder line. Try to look at your right hand fingertip and focus on your breathing. Slowly inhale and exhale. This asana helps you to balance and strengthen your leg muscles, your ankle. Continue to hold for 5 to 10 breaths in the asana. Now as a beginner, you have to make sure that your knee is in line with the ankle and the knee is 90 degree bend. Try to hold at this position. Also your hands are in a line in the shoulder line straight. Not too up, not too down. You can repeat this asana to the other side also and hold for 5 to 10 breaths and smile and enjoy. See you in the next. Bye bye. Take care.